racing.
And it'll be that 131 of Dave Lumsden Jr. currently out front over the 88X of Keegan Rodden.
Eric, definitely very interesting to watch the super late models go flying around the track, and now we watch the Roadrunners go not as fast.
Just a little bit slower.
As Lumsden and Rodden are battling for first place. It's Lundy running up into Niswager. Lundy having some trouble with that car. Here comes Chris Page to take advantage of Lundy's problem. On the inside, Josh Cavan's going to follow with Page. Maybe.
Yeah, they're running about a 17.4. A lot slower than a 12.9 or a 12.7 or a 13 at the late models and super lates run.
Wow, 5-second difference there, Eric, between a 4 and 5 second difference for those cars. Wow.
The 131 of Lumsden the Jr. still out front. Keegan Rodden in the 88X second. Dominic Lundy in the 11, along with Chris Page, rounding out your top four. The battle is in fifth for the number 19 of Kurt Neitschwanger and the number 7 car of Josh Cavan.
I believe we've got Monte Carlos, every car out here. I think Chris Page's might be a Chevelle, and that 13 car, 1967 Pontiac Tempest. I don't even know where he gets parts for that car. That's the first time I've ever seen a 1967 Pontiac Tempest. Pretty cool car, really nice guy. You want your chance to meet Jeremiah Gusk and any other Roadrunner drivers here at the Rockford Speedway, check them out after the races tonight in the pits. Join us down there. You can meet and greet your favorite driver. As we are getting down to the nitty-gritty of this 8-lap heat race with 2 to go for David Lumsden.
Still out front in that 131, the 88X. Keegan Rodden in second place. Dominic Lundy rounding off your top 3. And Chris Page in that 4th spot with 1 to go.
Here comes Lundy on the outside of Rodden. We could have a new second place.
That 11 car working that outside along the backstretch fast.
As it's going to be Lumsden to win. Rodden's going sideways. He's going the other way. And he's going to go back to 3rd, maybe 4th. Chris Page almost snuck up on Rodden to grab 3rd place and just didn't get her done. So how about that, folks? Tonight we have a very special band in the Miller Lite Pavilion following tonight's races. Eric, I believe you just got the word. What is the name of that band in the pavilion tonight, Eric, after the races?
The Redneck Boys.
So after the races tonight, come on down to the pits, come on down to the Miller Lite Pavilion, and enjoy the sounds of the Redneck Boys playing live at the end of the night here following the races. But we've got a winner out there in winner's circle. Brand new, fresh painted X out there in the middle, and the finish line looks beautiful. As he's going to get out of his car, I think. Yes, he is. It is David Lumsden. Eric, is that a junior or not?
It is a junior out of Rockford, Illinois.
I thought so. Shame on me. Yep, David Lumsden Jr. All right. Next.